Hola y bienvenidos a Module 9, Module 9. This module we're going to talk about AR verbs, so regular verbs that end with AR, and also yes/no questions. This topic will also continue into Module 10, so make sure you go through the readings and the videos. There's also a list of words in the readings, so you can keep that with you for future modules as well. Okay, here we have again pronunciation review, because this module we have pronunciation project number 2, which is the same like the first one. You read a text and aim for clear pronunciation. If you got an A on the first one, you actually don't need to do this one. You can choose to use the same grade you got as the first one to count for this one. If you want to do that, please email me and let me know that you want to take that option. If you got below a B on the first one, I recommend that you meet with me like on Zoom to go over it before you submit this one, because I think it will really help you to improve your pronunciation if we go through it together. So that's the assignment instead of the speaking assignment this week. So we have the homework packet, like always, for this module. We're back to the homework packets after we didn't have 2 for the last modules. And then the pronunciation project, like I said, and then the quiz, like always. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.